Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can put your Samsung TV into engineer's mode. This is a 7 Series TV, 65 inch, and I'm using this remote control here. Only do this if you know what you're doing. Don't just play around with it, because if you change a setting, then your TV may not work properly again afterwards, because obviously this is made for engineers, not normal users. Right, so to enter into it to begin with, we need to go into hospitality mode. Once we're in hospitality mode, we can then go into engineers mode. To go into hospitality mode, we need to press mute 119 enter, and that will put us into hotel mode, hospitality mode. Your TV has to be on. So here we go. I'm going to do mute 119 enter, and you should see that it will come up on the top left there. If you want to make it bigger, you can hit this button here. And you can make it smaller by hitting this button. So let's make it nice and big. Right, so that is hotel mode, hospitality mode. To get into engineers mode, we now just simply need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So press in 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see now it's changed and we're now in engineers mode. To navigate around the menu, you're going to be using these arrows here, and you're going to be entering into this one and return to go back. So let's say, for example, now if we were to go into control, we can then enter into that, and then we can move around using the arrows. And then to go back, we can hit return. So basically that is engineers mode there. And then to exit it, we're going to just turn the TV off. And then when we turn it back on again, it will be normal. But it will be like a soft restart. So you will see there's a little logo on here, the same as if you held down the power button. And also you may have to wait like 10 seconds or so before you can turn it on again. But when it comes back on, it will take a little bit longer to boot because you've done like a soft restart, but you will see that the engineers mode has gone. If you've had to put different code in because your TV might be older or newer, put your model number down and maybe add it to the comment section below, because you may help other people out who's looking to do this. Thanks for watching.